Barbados, a paradise of sun, sand and sea. But beyond its postcard-perfect beaches lies a secret simmering in its kitchens, a delicious legacy shaped by an unexpected culinary ally, France. Today we're embarking on a flavorful journey through time, where French finesse meets Bajan boldness. Ready to uncover the savory secrets of Barbados's French connection? In the 17th century, as European powers vied for Caribbean dominance, French settlers and chefs brought their culinary artistry to Barbados. They traded secrets with local cooks. French sauces met fiery Scotch bonnets, and patisserie techniques transformed tropical fruits into decadent desserts. The French didn't just leave behind recipes, they left a philosophy. Slow reductions, layered flavors. You taste their legacy in every bite of Bajan cuisine, man. Meet akra, a crispy fritter born from West African saltfish and French frying techniques. Or savor a rum-infused creme brulee crowned with Barbados's famed golden pineapple. French technique is our foundation. But here we dance with Caribbean flavors. It's a pas de deux on the palate. Take kuku, a dish that whispers of Africa and Europe. Okra, a West African staple, meets cornmeal introduced by French settlers, paired with flying fish in a lemongrass broth. Magnifique. My great-grandmother learned pastry from a French nun. Now, I add nutmeg and rum. Voila, history reborn. This is more than food. It's a story of resilience, creativity, and shared tables. Every bite carries centuries of history and a dash of island sunshine. So next time you're in Barbados, dive deeper. Let your taste buds wander where French flair and Caribbean soul collide. Bon appetit, or as we say here, tuk tu de whirl. Ready for your own culinary adventure? Tag #Bajan French Bites to share your journey.